Hi, welcome back to the channel. I didn't want to waste this beautiful background, so I'm going to use this as another one of my intros filmed on my Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra 5G. Not easy to say. So I do all the research. You don't have to. Press subscribe, share the video, press the like button. You know the drill. I'm just a little bit short of getting 1 million views. Well, not quite that short, but you understand. And you have not subscribed, but you're watching this video. You know the drill. Press the button. Hope you enjoy it. See you soon.
Hi, welcome back to the channel. Today I've got some interesting little tips for you if you've got the Samsung phones that have the new interface, which is Android 11 and Samsung UI number 3, and any of the newer Samsung phones. Couple things you may not know. Now, the first one is for those techies out there. If you want to do what's called a soft reset or wipe the cache partition, which for those probably who do know, it cleans out the whole system. It's very good, especially after doing an update. And it doesn't work now on the new, if I press the button and the volume button down, before you would get all these different options come up. But now, nothing. You'll see. It would just keep on doing exactly the same. Take my finger off and to continue, I had to basically turn off the phone and stop the video because it just carried on in a circle. But if you take the USB-C headset or anything, I think that's USB-C, plug it in, and it's the volume plus and the power button at the same time. Let's see what happens this time. And there we go. That's what we want. I don't know if you can see this clear enough. And now be very careful. I'm going to emphasize this. Be very, very careful what you do at this page. And if you use the volume button to go down, and that you can see as a highlight, but you want the one that it says wipe cache partition. It really cleans up the software. And I'm going to press the power button now. I'm just double checking it. And it asks you again, are you sure? You say yes by choosing the volume button to go up and down. You say yes. And then it says reboot system now. And I want to do that. So I can't emphasize enough, you're doing this at your own risk. What was I going to say? On some phones it might be the volume down and the power button, but most of the newer phones it's the volume up. Sorry, I might have made a mistake earlier. It's the volume up and power simultaneously, but it will not work unless you plug in a USB-C. Now, while this is restarting itself, please subscribe, as I mentioned. It would be a thank you from you to me for the new year. I appreciate it. I do reviews that most of the other YouTubers do not. And the other little tip, especially again on all the new Samsung phones while this is actually starting, let me show you this. This is something you probably don't know. And there's a few more little tips. And if you want one day, I will show you my setup, the icons I need to update. But this is a Nova launcher. And if I go to utilities, if I just put my finger and press up fast, it shows me all the utilities. But if I give one tap, it will open up the device care. So you can actually have it so you don't have to open up a folder and then get to it. It's much faster. I will also show you in the forthcoming videos things like this. These little arrows coming up there, what they do. Very useful feature. But that's for another video. But this one, let me show you this. If you turn on the flashlight, we all know the flashlight is on. But if you kept your finger on the flashlight, you can now increase the level and you get a warning because you are increasing it. You could actually burn someone's eyes and you could really make it, I won't show you here, really powerful and lower it and so on. Very useful feature that you can adjust the brightness. That's that one. Subscribe, I appreciate it. Loads of little tips coming up, mainly on Samsung phones, but also applies to all Android phones and occasionally PCs and things of that nature. See you soon, be safe, hope you enjoyed it, and subscribe.